How to remove yourself from shared files on Google Drive. This tutorial shows you how to leave files someone else shared with you on Windows. First, open your browser. Go to drive.google.com and sign in. After that, click Shared with Me on the left side. From there, right-click the file or folder you want to remove yourself from. At this point, click Organize. Click Remove. In the next step, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Following this, click Remove to confirm. Once done, the file will disappear from your Shared with Me section. Keep in mind, removing yourself only hides the file from your view. It doesn't delete it or affect the owner's access. Finally, refresh the page to confirm the file no longer appears in your list. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove yourself from shared files on Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next